Hey, so I'm gonna go over how to get Traksim set up and running in case you're having trouble with it. Um, so first go to Tom's website. I'll have this link in the Discord. And scroll down or scroll up to the top. Click on this new revision and download it. I already have it downloaded, but I'll download it again. Um, then unzip it, wherever you want. Um, just like that. And I'm going to be going over this for IntelliJ IDEA because that's what I use. If you use Eclipse, it should be pretty similar. Um, they're both simple to use. So load up IntelliJ here. I already have it imported, but I'll make a new project. So go to File, New, Project from Existing Sources, and navigate to that directory. So Traksim2. Click OK, next. Next, next. You don't need to change any of this stuff. Next. I'm using JDK 11. That's the latest stable release. You can use whatever you want. New window. So open that up. And initially, Traksim is set up to run on the actual car. So there's some stuff we'll have to change. First, I'm going to set up a run configuration. Running from the main class dr demo, or as we like to call it, Dr. Demo. And then you'll want to go to driver cons APW3, change the live cam from true to false because we are not connected to the real flycam hardware. Then go to our, yeah, I think Arduino. Hold on. Right, you want to go to fly camera and then comment out this system.load library because again, we're not on the actual hardware. And here we need to, in fakeform/Arduino, we need to change these imports. Node.jssc is a library that mimics the hardware, so use these when you're running on Traksim, use these when you're running on Latte Panda on the actual car. Um, Ideally, wouldn't have to do all this. I'll look into changing that, but so it is for now. Try not save my there. So after that, should be able to run, and there we go. Yeah, that's it. All right.